but I don't see it.
I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it.
Yeah.
I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it.
Yeah. So that's why we have to eventually implement the silencer. But we're getting somewhere. And I'm not sure where. Let's find out where that wall went. It should be game state. Nothing effect. It should be drawn like a wall. It's possible that texture did not work out. Because this start size X is not correct. Yeah, this should still be 0.2f. But pos X, now that should be map width divided by 2. So the X size is yes, 0.2, and we want the height to be 1/4 of the height. Good. Yes, it's the same orientation as the other guy. And we're taking the 3/4 mark. Yeah, let's try that. Okay. Well, there's still no.
Well, there's still no. Well, there's still no. Well, there's still no. Well, there's still no. Well, there's still no. Well, there's still no.
I didn't see a wall. I'm gonna run it again and try to double check.
Oh,
no, the wall's there. You can see it's bouncing off of that. It's bouncing off of the middle. It's just invisible. Okay, well that's a good sign. The wall's there, and that means the texture is not being loaded correctly. Let's find out why. And I'm gonna guess that it's within filter entity, the issue. So GLText, does that get initialized as 0? No. Let's do that. Well, I think all variables are initialized as 0 if they're static. Yeah, that's a language guarantee. If not GLText, then generate texture using our static method filter entity gen texture with width. Okay, and we do that, and that should fill out for us the GLText and make it non-zero. Is that true? Looks like that happens here. And here we pass the noise buff in. So the issue might be that I change this from 3, and 3 might have been the opacity value, the alpha. I'm gonna just make a guess and say that's what it is. So now there's obviously wall.
So now there's obviously wall. So now there's obviously wall. So now there's obviously wall.
So that was it.
So now there's obviously wall. So now there's obviously wall. So now there's obviously wall.
Yeah. Since we have that now, let's try change the color. So somehow this equates to blue. So I'm guessing it's RGBA. I'm not guessing, but it has to be RGBA because this here checks the fourth value, and 3 is 0th index fourth value, so the A. So if it is the A, then yeah, it'd be 255. Otherwise, if it is blue value, it'd be 0xFF. Otherwise, be some noise, which is interesting because they don't look particularly noisy to me. Could be value is always 0. Ah, yeah, value is always 0. Almost always. But there's a few places where it'll be white. So there'll be white specks, because the other two will be sometimes white. So we can change this to be we can make this green. Green is a nice colorful effect. Okay, let's run that. And see if you can see the green sparkles. It doesn't sound like me, does it? That's probably because we caught the audio mid way through. I don't know. Anyway, I didn't even look at the color of that, but that's all the time I want to spend on this. Now might be a good time to take a break. I think I'm going to do that. Well, it's already done. Yeah, I'm going to take a break and take a quick walk. Maybe we'll come back